Congratulations to Nollywood actress Tonto Dike as she find true love again. Davido hold free concert for group of kids. Bobrisky cry out and advise lady never to go for yansh surgery. My correct people, before I go dey tell now wetin dey shele for here, make I first throw away salute for now. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you know, go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, this video na 3 in 1. So it come happens to be say, apart from say everybody dey praise Davido, everybody dey praise and say na good father na him be. That is, he dey really dey perform that something wey they call daddy's duty. He dey do am full time upon all the busy things when he be say he get for hand. He go still take time, still excuse time, still spend quality time with his children, all of them. Even though say na different mama born them, he dey spend quality time with all of them one by one. My correct people, e no finish for there o. E come still be say Davido na person wey be say e dey very humble, because if you look the background where Davido come from and the position when he dey now, you know say he na one of all these top celebrities for Nigeria. But Davido, if you wan do something with ordinary people, e no dey look that background. E dey bring himself come down for zero. My correct people, as I see this video when e be say Davido hold free concert for all this group of children, when e be say they come, you now see the environment now, say no be even big man area. That to tell you the kind person when Davido be like say he dey flow with everybody. Davido be like water when he don't get enemy. Even though say Davido na person wey be say he get one kind gra character, but maybe we leave that one side. But he get good mind. He dey very humble. He dey flow with everybody. My correct people. So this one come dey make me dey wonder, be na this one I make everybody won't end up to be a baby mama, you know. Anybody when get good mind like this, when be say they feel they flow with many people, that is they socialize, you know. If Davido won't give himself to you, you know, they look who you be, who you not be. So no woman no go want spend the time, spend the life with such person, because then talk say the way person they treat, the way your man they treat people when he there for outside. Now that one now you go take know the kind man when he be, how he go take treat you for inside. Yes, my correct people. So I really appreciate this one when you do for these children, because this kind children now when we say maybe they no will ever get opportunity, they feel they hear of Davido, but they no will ever get opportunity to see am like this. But this one when Davido do so, it will always remain for their heart. My correct people, I want make una drop una comment below at the comment section how una see am. Make I leave una for this side, make I bounce to the other side of the gist. Yes, my correct people, this one they consign Tonto Dike. Big congratulations to Tonto Dike as she don't find true love again. Yes, all of us know say Tonto Dike na person wey be say he don't change, you know. He don't come out for that kind rugged life. He dey live, you know, man calm life, you know. So it come happens to be say now some matter come and say he don't get another bobo when he be say now he dey take good care of am. And see Tonto Dike all this time, guys, he dey really happy, even though say Chochi and Rosalie they come they do like say that they pepper and you know if they send them, because he know wetin he carry for inside, he big pass their own. My people. So when I really see this thing say Tonto Dike don't find new love again, I dey really happy for am, and I wish am well. My correct people, how the whole matter take come and be saying it come happens to be say this Tonto Dike new bobo, e be like say e dey celebrate his birthday. Now Tonto Dike concern one kind ogbonge message go give am. Before you know it, pictures don't they fly left and right, so we don't they see different pictures. My people, I don't know where the pictures pass come out to make una not ask me as I take see am na so I take bring am come out come still give una. So Tonto Dike come write this kind of ogbonge message, and he come carry the wrist of the person put when people come they suspect say maybe na this one, but before you know it now they don't bring the pictures come out. My correct people, don't be only that one. No, it come happens to be say this person who they talk now una know say Tonto Dike give himself King Tonto Dike. Now she don't be the real king, because this boba one who they talk now now prince. Now prince, so they say now politician pikin, I been a politician himself. Now he be correct on when be saying pepper rest for inside. My people, make I read the message when Tonto Dike write so and wey make many people come conclude say yes, this is the one. He can say happy birthday to the love of my life. I hope you get everything your heart desires because that's exactly what you have given me. You are twice as sweet as any birthday cake. You make every day feel like my birthday, except I don't need to blow out any candle because my wish already came true. Your smile is cause for celebration. Your heart is the most precious gift in the world. Your kisses could light 1,000 birthday candles. I wanted to give you all my love, my heart for your birthday, but there is no boss big enough to hold it. Hey, besides, it's already yours. Happy birthday to a man who make my life itself feel like a special occasion. I love you, baby. God bless you, my word. I celebrate you, sir. Hey, hey, hey. My correct people, e be like say churchy BP go high today, no be small thing o. My correct people, the matter not finish for there. As we dey hear now, we don hear say wedding bell don dey already dey ring o. We hear say dem don dey prepare. No be small. Anyway, e be like say the Tonto Dike sef bin no wan make the thing be come out like this o. Now one of the bobo friend na im be like say e come draw the leg come out. The way e take wish the happy birthday, e come make everybody know say na Tonto Dike bobo na e be. Maybe na the time wey be say they go fix the wedding date, they go do everything. Maybe na Tonto Dike for carry the something come out, come throw we agboa when e be say Tonto Dike ex-husband wey dem dey call Chochi, the thing come be like say the thing go root am comot for ground, my correct people. But as things come be now, e be like say she go just kukuma leave everything the way wey e be, because many people dey really dey happy for her, because many people be don dey wonder now, because Tonto Dike no be small pikin again. For the fact say the first marriage no work, no mean say na there im life go end. And if una still look at that his son wey dem dey call King Andre, he don grow now, he don reach to senior. So Tonto Dike don reach time when she need to start her life, she need to move on. Anybody wey know say e no go happy for Tonto Dike for this one when e dey now, you know say that person don't like better thing. The only thing we dey do for her now, make we dey pray for her, make God let this one work out, make we not hear any talk last, because we know say people like Roseline and her husband, her brother, be her husband sister, and all of them don't stay. Now the only thing when they go dey think, maybe they go dey wish, make it be say e no work out, so they go still see something come take pepper. And my people, go be like that. Yes, because Tonto Dike na rugged for Jesus. So my correct people, I want make una self congratulate and make una leave una own comment below at the comment section. Make I leave una for here, make I bounce to the last gist when dey for inside this gist. Yes, my correct people, this one dey concern Bobrisky. My correct people, not be small thing no. Bobrisky still dey for serious pain now. I don't dey expect say by now say Bobrisky sef is supposed to don dey heal small, make he carry the brand new yansh when he don dey promise us, make he come show us. My correct people, now another story that we dey hear for Bobrisky. Right now in dey cry, in dey tell everybody say, even ladies, he dey advise them. In talk say anything that concern lipo, I don comot my hand for there. The pain na die, and some of you girls are going 2 times. Make una fear God. Hey, Bobrisky dey say make we fear God before he go do that something. Now he don't know whether God dey. He can't talk like that. So then he come talk say, the moment the anesthesia worn out from my body after the surgery, I nearly die. The whole hospital don't sleep. Even painkiller no reach me. I don't comot my hand for anything called lipo. I never won't die now. He can't write on like that, my correct people. Una believe wetin Bobrisky even they talk, because I still dey doubt say whether Bobrisky self even come on for Nigeria self, or whether even go do the yansh at all. I don't know, because Bobrisky get the time when they tell us say the way first dey rant like this now. So he first saying go Dubai, say he don't go comot in John Thomas, say the thing no dey again, and he come dey do small different advert when they do talk say this one for yansh enlargement, different thing when they do, how they take dey maintain after he don't do that surgery finish for Dubai. I don't know whether I still remember. So how Bobrisky now, the way in the sound might be like person self when be say he never even near that when they call surgery at all. Abi, this one not the same Bobrisky when he tell us that same something. So I dey smell rats for here, my correct people. Anyway, he no get how e go be, and they say every day, that is one day monkey go market, e no go come back again. E no get as Bobrisky go hide and reach. One day the truth go still come out. We dey here, we dey wait. My correct people, I go leave una for here make I drop the whole gist for here, make I leave una for here for today. Abeg, if e be say na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe and na your first time you like my video, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime when I throway ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. And those of una wey be say na be my returning subscriber, anytime when be say I upload new video na dey help me dey watch am. God will bless una for me. I appreciate una so much. I go see una very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.